and we see this. This is nice. This is what we're talking about. This is just October 1st, right? Coming out the gates. But before we do get started, Be Social Weekly Report, I'd like to take a second, please, if you're new here, like and share and subscribe. And if you've never been with the Bees and you want to know more about what we're talking about here, join the Bees Social Telegram or Discord. There's 24-hour coverage. People there helping you any time of the day. So just want to start out with that. We have an awesome community that are always willing to help people, any time of the day. So if you would have purchased some of this WAFU, right, on this exchange on the 24th, a week ago, it would have been at 81 cents. Today it's at 85 cents. So it's up 0.04 cents from a week ago. So if you spent $100 last week, you would have made 123 WAFU tokens, and they'd be worth $105 today. So it's a nice 5% gain on there. So 392 WAFU token holders. That's up from one. They added another token holder in their liquidity pool. So that's awesome. Congratulations on that with WAFU. WAFU's total market cap is at $8,889,000. That's awesome. Good for them. And it's up from last week from $458,000 from last week. So they had a great week, WAFU. So on their Twitter, if you're not following, that's where they do a lot of their announcements. And it's in Spanish. I already got it translated. Look at me. See, I do homework, Tim. I do it. Anime Limited asked everyone last week to be part of the InMotion Fest event on September 30th and October 1st and October 2nd. InMotion Fest is a workshops, competitions, conferences, screenings, and much more. And the Motion Fest is held and don't hold me to this, Querétaro, Mexico. I'm just hopefully I can say, but that's where they're holding that, and that's what the anime was talking about. Because that's what they're all about. Anime is huge, and it's all over the world. Mexico, Japan, U.S.
Are you gonna go?
No, man. No, I'm going somewhere next week, Tim. But it's not down to Mexico. I wish I was. It's awesome. But yeah, no, I'm not.
Are you gonna do the man on the street? Are you gonna do the man on the street for us?
I am. Are you guys gonna stream it for me when I go Wednesday?
We patch you in.
I was just talking to my daughter out there. She said she'd help out, and that's unusual. So she's willing to hold the camera or do the phone. So yeah, we'll definitely do man on the street, probably from Universal, somewhere like that. That'd be cool, right?
Excellent.
We'll start asking people about crypto. You give me some crypto questions, and we'll ask them, man.